In many companies, SolidWorks data is needed by more people than just the engineering team. Procurement may need to check a bill of materials. Manufacturing may need to review part information. Project managers may need to understand which assemblies use a specific component. But not every team member has SolidWorks installed, and not every small question should require an engineer to open CAD. In this video, I will show how Solidise can help non-SolidWorks users access useful engineering information through a shared Solidise database. A SolidWorks user first indexes the CAD folders from a workstation that has access to the files and can read the SolidWorks data correctly. After that, the indexed database can be shared with other team members. They can browse the workspace, inspect files, view bill of materials data, check where used information, review previews and properties, and access key project information from the browser. The goal is to reduce unnecessary interruptions for engineers and give the wider team faster access to the information they need for purchasing, manufacturing, and release preparation. As shown here, Solidise is set to shared writer mode, with a defined location where the indexed database will be published. This shared database location is what the Solidise reader users will connect to later, so they can access the indexed project information without scanning the files themselves. Each time the writer scans the SolidWorks folders, the database is automatically published to the shared location. This keeps the reader database updated with the latest indexed file information. That is how Solidise shared database workflow helps non-SolidWorks users access engineering information.